Hi, my name is Ava. I am replacing Samantha. Basecamp is an application associated with Garmin GPS devices to create roadbooks and share them with your fellow travelers. In this third tutorial, we will first see how to check all the points of the personalized route created in Tutorial 2. For this, if the whole route does not appear in the Basecamp window, double-click on the sub-card.
Gorge du Verdon.
The window for all plot points appeared, and at the same time the entire plot is now visible. You can also click with the mouse pointer on the toothed wheel at the bottom of this window and click on the line, display the entire route on the map. We are going to modify the color of the path points symbol seen in Tutorial 2 to make it easier for us to locate them. Select the first track point with the mouse pointer. Then while pressing the Option key, select the last track point. Right-click, a context menu appears, click on Get Information. As seen in Tutorial 2, in the second window, click on Choose. Select, for example, the new red symbol. All the track points are now more easily located on the map. In fact, you may have noticed that not all of the waypoint symbols have been changed. For example, this one. If we look in the window detailing the plot points, we see that those who have not changed their symbol color on the map are grayed out and are set to, by default, no alert. To eliminate this problem, you must select the 4 plotting points, click on the first, and while holding the Apple or Command key, click on each of the 3 others. Then, right-click, and in the contextual menu that appears, select Alert on Arrival. On the map, you now see all the waypoints in red. And to have the color of the route uniform, click in the window on one of the unselected waypoints, the first for example. I'll discuss the option, Alert on Arrival, or No Alert in a future tutorial. Close the Track Point Details window. We will check each of these. I insist on each one because, if they are badly positioned, that is to say off the road, or overflowing on another road, that will be a problem when traveling by motorcycle. In fact, your Garmin GPS will go to the next route point, if and only if you have joined the previous route point. To check the route plotting points, use the map navigation buttons. If they do not appear on the map, select the drop-down menu, Display, and click on the line. Display the map navigation buttons. To move on the map, you have 3 possibilities: the hand tool, the map navigation buttons, and the keyboard arrows. For the latter, check that the route sublist is grayed out. If it is selected, blue color, use the hand tool, it will gray it. Let's put it back on the route, the 2 offset plot points. Confirm by clicking on Move, or by pressing the key, Enter. I also advise you to control the entire route including crossings of towns, villages, etc. Indeed, do not forget that we are tracing a route. Having chosen, in the preferences for route definitions, the calculation method, shortest time, seen in Tutorial 1. In our example, let's check out Bargeman. We can see that the route leaves the main road to take a shortcut. The main road being this. To correct the route, just put the mouse pointer, here hand icon, on the shortcut taken. Then click without releasing. Move the mouse on the main road and release. Confirm the change. There is an alternative. In the route definition preferences, check in the sections bypasses of certain types of roads and bypasses of types of characteristics. Roads which you are sure to never take, for example, highways, unpaved roads, narrow tracks, etc. But I advise you, despite everything, to check your entire itinerary carefully. If you change your mind during the creation of a route, to take routes excluded in the window, preferences for route definitions, you will have to uncheck the routes excluded. Otherwise, Basecamp will refuse to validate your route choices. When your itinerary has been verified, change the color of the ladder to green, for example. You can share it with your fellow travelers. To do this, select the File drop-down menu, then click on the line
Exporter Gorge du Verdon.
In our example, in the new window, choose the location and the export format in general.gpx for compatibility with different brands of GPS, or .gdb for Garmin GPS. Finally, click on Export. Here, this third tutorial is finished. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thank you for your attention.